Where are my lemon lovers out there? Do you want some lemon crumb bars? Look how delicious these look. Let's go make them. Hello folks, we are doing the weekly challenge dish and we landed on lemon crumb bars. So here we go. So for the crust, we'll start with the crust first. You need 2 1/3 cup flour. It's just all-purpose flour. You need a 1/2 cup of white sugar. You need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You need a teaspoon of baking powder. Put that in there. You need 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And then you have 2 sticks or 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. And this is your crust. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Where is my spatula? All right, so you're just gonna give this a good mix. It's gonna be a little crumbly, which is what you want. It smells very lemony in here. My husband's like, ooh, lemons. He loves himself some lemon desserts. This is right up his alley. All right, give that a good mix. And you're gonna press probably about 2/3 of this into a bottom of a parchment lined 8x8 or 9x9, whichever you have. I have it lined with parchment paper, of course, so we're gonna press about 2/3 of this on the bottom. And you wanna reserve some for the top. Let's see what we got. It almost has the consistency of like a sugar cookie. It's easy to press in here though. Make sure it's even so it bakes evenly. And once you have this all pressed in an even layer, you're gonna set this aside and you're gonna make the filling. All right, set that aside for now. Wipe your paws. So your filling is going to be 4 egg yolks, room temperature. These are actually fresh eggs that I got from a friend from their farm. So these are fresh eggs. Where's my eggs? So 4 egg yolks. And you don't need any special tools for this, just a good old whisk and a couple bowls. All right, so then you have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Make sure it's all in there. Teaspoon of vanilla. A pinch of salt. 1 can or 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. It's almost like a key lime pie, but with lemon. I don't know if you guys have made key lime pies, but they're so good. And we're getting to the season where those fruity desserts are right up this family's alley, man. All right, so get everything out. And then you need 2/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This took 5 1/2 lemons for me. But depending on your size of lemons, you need 2/3 of a cup. You're just gonna give this a good little whisk. Get everything incorporated, get the eggs mixed in and all the sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's all mixed in together. Break up those yolks. It smells really good. Yeah, it looks just like a key lime filling, but with lemon. Make sure it's all mixed in good together. All right. Now we are going to pour this over, got the paper towel, pour this over our crust. Make sure you get it all out. All right. Give it a good little even spread. And then you're going to take the rest of your crumb and I'm going to crumble it all over the top. And this will go into a 350-degree oven and it will bake for 18 to 20 minutes. And then when it is done and ready to try, we will be back. See you then. We are back with our Saturday wheel winner, which was Lemon Crumb Bars. So we are going to give her a taste. She has sat on the counter for about 2 or 3 hours or so. So let's cut into her and see what she tastes like. She should be nice and cold. Ooh. Look at that. Do you see that? She looks delicious. All right, let's give her a try.
Looks like a good wheel challenge winner, folks.
This was a great wheel challenge winner. It's sweet. It's very tart from the lemon, and the crust and the crumb topping is a little bit sweet and buttery. It's delicious. This is a great spin on just the basic lemon bar. You could certainly sprinkle some powdered sugar on top or do a glaze, but you honestly don't need it. You don't need it. Make this for your family for spring, for summer, for whenever. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.